Hello guys, I'm back once again. So today is a new day. I have another video to share with you. So wait and here you go. What's it? Hello guys, we're presenting the Bitso Bitso of Iloilo, and the list of the ingredients are listed here for you to follow. Very simple to cook. Here you go. This is the end product of what I have done for today. This is what we call in Iloilo the Bitso Bitso, or in English probably they're gonna call this sweet rice cookies with coated sugar. Hello guys, the first thing what we have to do is to make the dough. This is made of rice flour, sweet rice flour made by Coda Farms. Put maybe a box of this. They call it mochiko. You can buy this in regular store. I use one box making the dough. Add a little bit of brown sugar. Maybe two scoops. Two scoops of this big spoon. Let's see. It's good enough, but it looks like it's not. We'll make it three. Three is good enough. Mix it up until mix it good. But anyway, I'll do it. I'm quartz cocoa brown sugar. That will become our dough or crispy rice cake. I don't know, but in Iloilo we call it Bitso Bitso. But I don't know another place. I don't know what they call it, but the base ingredient is rice flour, brown sugar, and as soon as you're done mixing, we have to put this coconut milk, and you have to mix really good. It's very hard to do this filming if you're by yourself. It's good, makes it. Just keep on turning and turning and turning. So that's the way we do the. Look like one can is good enough for this. So that's the process how to make the sweet rice powder. Okay, so I will stop this for a moment and I will continue. It's blocking my way. So just wait a little bit. As soon as I'm done, I'll start cooking. As soon as you have your dough, you have to make like this round. Make that round. Make it round, by the way. Because I don't have mold, so I have to just round it by hand. It's very simple. See this dough? Make it round with your hands. Make it sure your hands are wet because the rice is kind of sticky. So here's the sample. That's the fourth one. As you can see, the color is brownish already because of the sugar that I put. I have to wet my hand again. It's kind of sticky already. But that's the procedure, how to make this like cookies and figure. So I made a dough and mold this like a cookies, and for one box I came up like 22 pieces of this cookies style. This is made all of sweet white rice made by Mochiko farm, or they call it Mochiko, but it's a white rice, sweet white rice. So I have to prepare now the frying pan so that I can deep fry this. Okay? Okay, we'll start again the second process. These methods or the way of cooking was learned by me when my grandma was alive. So right now I'm doing this to show to the young people how to do it. I'm just downloading my knowledge, whatever I learned from my grandma. You know what I mean? Some of the grandma, they have their own secret how to do it. So very simple. I don't want to rely too much buying in the store. Sometimes you just spend, if you do it yourself, you're gonna spend like $5. But in reality, if you do it yourself, oh, you're gonna spend for $5. But if you buy in the store, it might end up you paying double of that or triple of that. But you have to consider the labor that the people that makes it. So there's no secret in this. You have to have a little bit of patience doing it. Nowadays, people rely buying in the store only. They don't have the patience to do it themselves. So if there's a brownout, nobody will cook in the restaurant. A lot of people getting hungry. I'm just kidding. But in reality, I'm just doing this to show the younger generation how to do it. You have to wait and turn as it becomes brown. It's just like making cookies. You do it this way, like you're deep frying. Simple as that. Out of one box, I made 22 of this cookie style. Be careful, guys, in handling this, because you're dealing with the boiling cooking oil. So be careful in dealing this kind of situation. And don't cook it so fast. Cook it slowly. Okay, here's the finale. What inside the cooking pan or the frying pan is a little bit of coconut milk and water. And I have to add the brown sugar again. This will become our coating for the sweet rice cookies. It's all about sugar. If you're diabetic, just eat moderately. This will take a long time to make a syrup. You have to wait until it thickens, and after that you have to drop all the deep fried sweet rice cookies, and that will become your finished product. It will take a while. You have to wait that there will be like a big bubbles popping up above that liquid. If it bubbles a little bit bigger than normal, you can put all the cookies in. So yeah, I have to turn this out, and then before finalizing it later, I'll put another video. So it started to bubble up already, but you need to continue stirring it, or else the sugar will get burned. That's one thing of advice that I can tell you. Don't leave it boiled, or else your sugar will get burned. That's the only advice I can give you. My grandma taught me how to do this, so I'm very perfectionist. Just kidding. So as you can see, the bubbles is not an ordinary bubbles. It's getting bigger now. That means this will be our finale. We have to drop it all here. Watch out, be careful, it might splash on you. Remember, this is very, very hot. And keep turning until it becomes like glazy. This is all made of white rice, sweet white rice. And I have to turn off the stove, and it's done. This is, the glazing is made of coconut milk, brown sugar. That's all. And you have to put this piece by piece so that it will not stick together. early because I'm watching the movie on YouTube. Okay. But that's the final product of what I'm doing. So guys, if you want to review what's the procedure, just look at my video again. Hope you guys will like it. Have a wonderful day, my friends and subscribers. Here you go. This is the end product of what I have done for today. This is what we call in Iloilo the Bitso Bitso, or in English probably they're gonna call this sweet rice cookies with coated sugar.